In my screen, I have three assemblies. So if I zoom to one of them, you can see we have two lanes, and we have two shoulders on either side. Then we have the daylights on either side. So in these three assemblies, my lanes and my shoulders are identical. They have same layer thicknesses, but the only changing parameter is the daylight slopes in each assembly. So suppose we have to change the layer thickness of these assemblies. So you don't need to go one by one to change the layer thicknesses because we have the same thicknesses in each assembly. So to change all the layer thicknesses at once, you have to go to select one assembly, then go to select similar sub-assemblies. So it will select all the similar sub-assemblies at once. Then go to properties, and in the properties tab, properties palette actually, you can set all the width parameters, depth parameters, everything. Suppose we are going to change this parameters by 50 millimeter. So it will update in all these sub assemblies at once. So you can easily do the edits if you have similar kind of sub assemblies using this method.